Welcome back, YouTube. We are here at the shop and we are going to work on that little Rav4. I did some research and found out that the ECUs actually do some funky stuff, and we have to do some soldering on it. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out and possibly start pulling the radiator. We'll be right back. Alright, so this video today is going to be a little different than some of the past ones, but this is actually going to serve as a kind of a tutorial for the rest of you out there with an 01 to 05 Toyota Rav4 that shifts like shit. So we're gonna dive right into it. Make sure and always unhook the battery, de-energize the system. That way you don't mess anything up worse than it already is. So I went ahead and disconnected the battery, and the computer is actually on the passenger side kick panel there, under behind the dashboard. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the dashboard, or the glove box. We're gonna start pulling the glove box quick. We'll be right back. Alright, so here it is, it's out. I actually took the two screws out of the bottom, out of that bottom mount, because it's actually still up in here, but it's right there. But unfortunately, the bottom mount's actually attached on the back of it too, right there. So there's a little 10 mil bolt right there that attaches it right there. So you got to pull that off, get it down just far enough to get the upper screws out for that top mount, and you can get it out. So I'm going to pull these other two screws off and pull it apart so I can do some soldering. So here it is. And they say these little guys, the R27s, the 221s, the SMD type resistors are the ones that need to be soldered back down. So that's what I'm going to work on and see if it works. There's some over here too, and then there's some on the back side also. So I'm going to work on those and see what I can do, see if I can't get this thing going right. But thanks for joining me on this little journey, and like, subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and shoot me some questions also. Don't have too much fun out there, guys. Deuces.